This one was my favorite because it was made out of Sour Patch for Kids. Now let's open the box. Let's see what's inside. The ingredients we need are the cookies, icing, and some decorating stuff like the blue fondants, candy Christmas lights, candy Christmas tree, colored icing, Sour Patch Kids, sour sugar, scissors, and paper towels. The first step is to massage the icing so it can get to the room temperature and get sticky. Now that we massaged the icing, we're going to remove the cap and cut a hole in the icing bag. But make sure to not make it too big because if you do, there's gonna be chunks if you make it too big. Yes, I think this. Ah! That scared me. Now that we are done with preparing the icing, we're gonna open the bag of cookies and see which one is the floor and which one is the walls and roof. Now that we've opened the bag of cookies, we know that these are the walls. These are also the walls and roof, and this is the ground. Now we're gonna go make the icing go through this square and put the walls up and wait for 1 minute for the icing to dry. We're gonna put icing on each side so we can put the roof and it holds together. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, I'm just gonna do this by myself. Oh boy, bada boom. Now we're gonna put the other side of the roof. Okay, I just hope this holds. Oh wow, yay! Bravo! Yay! Now we're done with our house. It's decorating time, but before we decorate, we gotta put it in a pan or somewhere where we don't make a mess while we're decorating. My channel name, Bryan Xplores. Here's how the sides turn out. Over here, I did like a rock climbing thing where people like rock climbed. Over here, someone tried to make like lighting things in the rock climb and failed. And that person left the lights there and forgot to put them down. On the back, there's kind of like snow, and I tried to make like a treasure hunt with BX, and snow came down on top of BX. Also, there's like some trees and lots of icing to stick the trees to there. On this side, my dad tried to like make a line of people over here and some Christmas lights and some snow on there. And on the top, there's lots of Christmas lights, and snow just covered some of them up. hope you like making your own gingerbread house. I love yours. Merry Christmas, everybody!